Class 2 English Unit 8 My School. What do you want to be in your life? I want to be a teacher in my life. Do you love to go to school? Why? Yes, I love to go to school. It is because I learn many new things from school. What is the name of your school? The name of my school is Ali Public School. Share your experience of your first day at school in a few sentences. My first day at school is a very memorable day in my life. I was very happy on that day. I was going to start my school life. However, I was somewhat confused too. It was because everything was new to me. अब एक्सरसाइज शुरू करते हैं. रीड द वर्ड्स एंड इंडिकेट द नंबर ऑफ syllables in each word. Smile, 1 syllable. Pencil, 2 syllable. Family, 3 syllables. A syllable is a part of a word that has a single vowel sound. Syllable ऐसा वर्ड होता है जिसमें वॉवल की एक ही आवाज़ होती है. Read the given words and write the syllables. Shoes, 1 syllable. Inside, 2 syllables. Teacher, 2 syllable. Amazing, 3 syllable. Favorite, 3 syllable. Read and practice the given dialogue. Miss, may I ask something please? Yes, sure. Can we go to the canteen? First make a queue, then buy your lunch one by one. Answer these questions. What is the color of the pencil box? It is green. Who has a great big smile? The teacher has a great big smile. Do you like your school? Yes, I like my school. Rearrange the words in alphabetical order according to the first letter. Box, desk, kind, pencil, teacher. Rearrange the words in alphabetical order according to the second letter. Shiny, smile, some, stand, sun. Read and think about the given ideas about your school. Then write 5 sentences. My school is situated in the heart of the city. There are 10 classrooms in it. Each classroom has a big whiteboard. There is also a playground. The canteen is near the playground. All teachers are very kind. Think about and write some ideas about the given topic. The name of my teacher is Mr. Rizwan. He teaches me English and Urdu. He is very hardworking man. His method of teaching is very good. He is very kind to his students. I have great love and regard for my teacher. Next question है, read the lesson again and fill in the blanks with the correct options. The pencil box is dash green. The shoes are dash clean. The dash has a big smile. Teacher. The student peeks inside the classroom. Read the given words with their meanings. Peek, झांकना. A quick and secret look. Loud, बुलंद आवाज. Noisy, shiny, चमकदार, bright. Read the given rhyming words. Clean, green. Be, me. While, smile. Write 3 pairs of rhyming words in your notebook. Bun, sun. Bell, shell. Hit, pit. Look at the direction signs and complete the sentences. The student is going upstairs. The cat is climbing down the tree. The classrooms are to the left of the staff room. The playground is to the right of the canteen. Read and write the given sight words in the shape box that fits. THINK, think. AFTER, after. AROUND, around. TODAY, today. THOSE, those. Fill in the missing letters to complete the word. FIRST, first. SCHOOL, school. LUNCH, lunch. CLASS, ROOM, classroom. BAG, bag. Proper noun. A proper noun refers to a particular person, place, or a pet. A proper noun starts with a capital letter. For example, Ali, Quetta, river, Indus, फैसल मॉस्क. किसी भी ख़ास चीज़ या जगह के नाम को इसमें मार्फा कहते हैं. रीड द फॉलोइंग प्रॉपर नाउन्स. टुडे आई मेट माई ओल्ड फ्रेंड. इसमें प्रॉपर नाउन क्या है? नाजिया. अहमद एंड अली आर बेस्ट फ्रेंड्स. अहमद और अली प्रॉपर नाउन हैं. माई स्कूल इज़ इन पिशावर. पिशावर प्रॉपर नाउन है. माई अंकल हैज़ अ पेट कैट. मानो. मानो प्रॉपर नाउन है. फैसल मॉस्क इज़ द बिगेस्ट मॉस्क इन इस्लामाबाद. फैसल मॉस्क प्रॉपर नाउन है. राइट 3 प्रॉपर नाउन्स फॉर ईच ग्रुप इन द गिवन रोज. पर्सन, नोमी, साइमा, जमील. पेट, मानो, टॉम, टॉमी. प्लेस, लाहौर, अमेरिका, इस्लामाबाद. Pointing words. Look at the picture below and read the sentences. This is an orange. That is an orange. These are oranges. Those are oranges. This, that, these and those are pointing words. We use these words to point people or things. This, that, these और those किसी की तरफ इशारा करने के लिए इस्तेमाल होते हैं. Write 4 sentences using that, this, those and these each in your notebook. This is a tree. These are trees. That is a dog. Those are dogs. Write the given numbers in words. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Find rhyming words in the poem and write one more word. Clean, green, seen. Be, me, he. Write a short paragraph about your school. ये तो पीछे हमने लिखा है, उसे ही दोबारा देख लें. Creative writing. Write a paragraph on the topic my best friend. Ali is my best friend. He is also my class fellow. We study and play together. Ali is a very intelligent student. He often helps me with my homework. I like my friend very much. तो ये था आज का सबक. अगर आपको पसंद आया तो इसको लाइक और शेयर ज़रूर कर दें और इस तरह की मज़ीद वीडियोज़ को देखने के लिए मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर कर लें. अगली वीडियो तक के लिए अल्लाह हाफ़िज़.